My name is Radba Tarabi, and I'm a plastic surgery resident at Louisiana State University, and I'm an alumni of AUA. AUA's campus was very new. They had all the facilities, an adequate cadaver lab for anatomy, which I loved right when I got there. From then on, I knew I wanted to probably pursue a surgical career. Right after medical school, I did 2 years of research fellowship at Massachusetts General Hospital. That helped me get a general surgery position at Mass General Hospital. So as a general surgery resident, you wake up fairly early in the morning, go in and check the labs, vital signs of the patients, and then go see all your patients during morning rounds. From there, you usually end up reporting to your attending physician and preparing to go to the operating room that day. April 15th, 2013 was the day of the Boston Marathon bombing, and it was pretty hectic. That day there was a lot of patients coming in all at once, and I was on the burn service, so we had to evaluate quite a few of the patients that came in. You learn from early in medical school how to become efficient at time management. That's always been a forte of mine, and it comes in handy as a resident to take care of your patients. After 2 years of general surgery, I was able to match into the LSU's integrated plastic surgery residency. I'm one of the first Caribbean graduates that obtained an integrated plastic surgery residency position. As a plastic surgery resident, we show up early in the morning to review all the new patients and how well the patients are doing. You round on each of them and progress them post-operatively. Then you go to the operating room for the rest of the day. There's also clinic days built in where we see pre-operative and post-operative patients along their care. To assess Caribbean medical schools, prospective students should look at all the details that they can get. You want to make sure that you're at a university that will give you a good medical education, which you will in turn use as a foundation of knowledge when you train throughout your residency.